What's up, everybody? It's LimeTime Garage, your boy, Mr. Biggs. Today, we're here with none other than Mr. Spanky. What's cracking, dude?
Not much.
Yes, sir. Where are we going today?
To Formula Drift.
Yes, sir. Formula Drift in Long Beach. I don't know what round it is.
Me either.
Yeah, but anyways, it's one of the rounds in Long Beach that they do. It's one of the, I guess, beginning ones. I could be wrong. I don't know. But anyways, we're heading there right now. It'll probably take 10-15 minutes to get there, but we don't even know what's really going to be all there and happening. I like to go Fridays and like Saturdays because you get to see everybody drift. Like, you get to see all the cars go, unless they did something stupid and wrecked earlier, you know. But usually they're all there, so we're gonna have a lot of fun. I know that. Oh, he's ready at the red light. Oh, and he's gunning it. Ooh, damn, he got sport mode in this. Oh, he got the bull. He got the bull by the horns, ladies and gentlemen. Dang. Anyways, we'll see you in Long Beach. We'll see what's going on out there. We finally made it. What's up, big dog? Well, we made it here. 2 years since we've been here? 2, 3, 5. Who's counting, really?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna get in there. We didn't bring the other nice camera, but we got a camera, right?
Yep.
All right, let's go check it out. My favorite car, Mr. Matthews, right here. This car, if I ever was to build a drifter, I would build something like this. I can't build what he's building, but it would have to be something like this.
Okay.
Class my favorite. He's doing an update right now. It's probably going to be for his channel. It's pretty crazy though. Definitely, you know, every year it's always different, but it's pretty cool to see him do it. Hype is real. Shout out to Adam LZ. Love the car. Looks sick. Everyone's here. Love the car? Sick, isn't it? Oh yeah, dude. Do your thing, big dog. All right, so here we are. We seen it. We embraced it. We saw, you know, qualifying and whatnot, right? Really amazing talent out here for sure. Ooh, watch out for the Ram. Yeah. But I have to say, Formula D is really fun. What do you think? Formula D is fun. I like it. The scoring's a little off, and it shows pretty big, right?
Yeah.
We saw some runs that were like clearly 90s. 90 high range points, right?
You can get them 70s, 80s.
Yeah, like low 70s, mid 80s for like really good runs. So I don't know about that. But shout out to Spanky, came through with the gear. Ooh, show off the gear, bro. Show off the gear. He's got the cuts. Show it off. Ooh, where you get that at though? Look at that. Yes. Yes. The shirt is cool too. Check this out. The front side. The back is what I like. Oh, definitely love it. I appreciate you for coming out, man. You know, there's a lot of people that wanted to come, they couldn't make it. They should have came out for sure.
Tomorrow's the big day.
Tomorrow's the big day. I like to come out Friday because I get to see everybody. All these smaller teams that are like around us here. If you see around, a lot of these teams, they won't be here, right? So they're packing up, they're leaving some of the small teams, and it's only going to be the top 32, right?
Yeah, there are two.
So they're going to stay. All the top guys are going to stay. Everybody else, they're bouncing. But you know what? It's good to come out and see them. It was good to get a little bit of shooting time and check it all out. So what do you think? Come back next year?
Come back tomorrow.
Oh, he's coming back tomorrow. Hey, Irwindale's coming.
Oh yeah, that's
We got to do
House of
Irwindale.
Drift.
House of Drift, baby. That's right. And I always say, I wish D1 came back. I really do. Oh, I miss it. But anyways, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. If you haven't done so already, subscribe, comment down below, thumbs up, right? Thumbs up in the chat, and tell us what you like the best out of all the footage that we have here, the cars that you saw. What do you guys think about the scoring? What do you think about it? Is it actually like close or what? I don't think it was close.
Way off.
Way off. So anyways, we'll talk more about it. But until then, catch us in traffic. Oh, wrong turn, bro. We're drifting track, bro.
That's what I am.
What are you doing, bro? We're on the track.
Hey.
Oh my God, dude. What are you doing, bro?
Drifting.
Bro, you're on the track, bro. What?
I know.
Dude, we can't be doing this. We're not drifters, bro.
I am.